tropical woodlot soils, like in swamps, lagoons like this one. It does dry out, they can adapt to that, survive in that dry soil as well. So we do have 30 saltwater crocodiles in this lagoon. That's 9 males and 21 females. Now all the females in here have been captive, hatched and raised. If you go to that farm, all these people that are hatched on the farm stay there long enough to get a decent size and release them here safely. And all the males on the other hand, they've been caught from the water hangar boat ramps, jetties, swimbuck beaches. So these are a problem that we're removing the public safety. And safety of crocodiles, so we're saving them in. That's what that was really doing. So if you think of that name saltwater crocodile, it is very misleading. You get a constant food source, not push that one big and male. You'll be quite happy to stay there. Crocodiles up the banks today. It might be cold from overnight temperatures without ectothermic, which means they rely on the environment for their body temperature. And preferred body temperature of saltwater crocodiles is between 28 and 34 degrees. And to achieve that is pretty simple really. Like look at the one up in front of us on the right hand side, it's up in water. It's got the osteoderms exposed. Each one of those osteoderms is a single bone encased in skin. There's lots of little blood vessels run through it. And just up close to it. It does work like one as well, slowly decomposes straight in water to keep those eggs viable. We're actually in the breeding season right now for saltwater crocodile, September, October. And that will run into that essence period where they lay the eggs, which is either November through to March. The whole process is kitsch. You get 40 to 60 eggs out of one female. And we sit there and guard that nest next 3 months. And that 3-month period, and then eggs actually do hatch out, become little hatchlings. They'll be 20 centimetres long, you'll see. The mother might look after them for the first month or 2, but after that, I don't know. The hatchlings like there's been seen things like barramundi, other crocodiles, birds of prey, coming in, eating these hatchling crocodiles. So I'm just feeding on both sides of both everyone can see. The opposite side where I feed from, all 3 cents in a wood. There's other people around, please don't be rushing to one side. So splashing water and bang the bottom of the boat. That's going to send out vibrations in that water. Now crocodiles maybe 30, 40 metres to pick that up. Every single scale got at least one very high percentage pressure receptor. If you look at the jaw lines of a crocodile, top and bottom of the jaws is basically black dots. The pressure receptors are in the area. So if something came down for a drink, get the water's edge, splash around, have a swim, whatever it is, and it's a crocodile in that area, and we'll pick up on that and maybe go investigate. That popping sand is made by that food. That's what we call a jaw slap, a jaw pop. On a good day, you can hear that outside the parts or gun going off. So all it is the air being forced out the jaws of great force. Similar to when we clap our hands at air displacement. Doesn't hurt them. From that note, they have been recorded as one of the hardest flying animals to face this planet. They were talking about the big males going about 4.5 to 5 metres. They're going to require to constantly bind down over 4,500 psi. That's pants for screens, like to measure the car tires in. Have a small door flap. Have you looked at crocodiles when they submerge underwater, looking at their eyes? The eyes go a cloudy colour. It's actually the third eye to the innate membrane. They come from the front of the eye to the back of the eye. There's some people who say it's like goggles for it. It really doesn't enhance your vision, it just stops like the dirt seeing drip in a crocodile's eyes. It works if I jump on foot sides. Right on foot sides now. Every 18 months to 2 years, they go through a full set of teeth, one at a time. If a couple get knocked out in the fire,